Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to conclude this tutorial by mentioning all the different topics that we have covered so far. First, we try to understand what this API is all about, keywords, limitations, and how to configure and consume it. We also looked at some of the important requests like search, channels, playlists, playlist items, videos, and few others available on YouTube Data API. We have also explored how we can consume this API in Angular and Spring Boot applications through the sample application that we built. This tutorial should help you easily explore all the different types of requests that we did not cover in this tutorial. Now, you should be able to develop applications using this API. Based on the comments and suggestions that we get for this tutorial, we will do few other videos if needed. As we always say, learning is always fun and we should never stop learning. Happy learning. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.